Acidimetry titration. Aim of the experiment: to find out the strength of the given alkali by using a standard acid solution in the laboratory. Apparatus required: burette 50 ml, pipette 10 ml, conical flask, burette stand with clamp. Chemical required: hydrochloric acid solution, sodium hydroxide solution, and phenolphthalein indicator. Take a clean pipette of the capacity 10 ml, rinse the pipette with the standard acid solution thrice. Soak the acid solution into the pipette just a little above the mark. Now release the index finger slightly and transfer the acid into a conical flask slowly but continuously. Toss the tip of the stem thrice slowly with the bottom of the flask. Add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator to the acid solution and shake well. The color of the solution remains colorless. Wash the burette thoroughly with water and then with distilled water. Fill the burette with the alkali sodium hydroxide solution to a little above the zero mark. Now clamp the burette vertically to the burette stand. Now place the conical flask containing acid on the white glazed tile below the burette. Note down the initial reading of the burette. Slowly add the alkali solution from the burette to the acid solution in the conical flask. Continue the addition of the alkali solution dropwise while swirling the solution in the flask continuously. Stop adding alkali at the point when the color of the solution just changes into light pink. This is the end point. Note down final burette reading. This will be the rough reading. Repeat the process of addition of alkali solution to the acid solution thrice. All the three readings should be concordant.